WellaWhite Teeth Whitening Kit. You know, that home use system that promises to whiten your teeth up to 9 shades in just one session. Sounds amazing, right? It uses LED light technology plus a non-toxic gel and says it's totally painless, even for people with sensitive teeth. They also claim the results last a long time. But are these claims actually true? Or is it just clever marketing? Let's dig in together. First up, WellaWhite says it's America's #1 rated whitening kit. They say it's clinically proven and dentist recommended. Here's the problem. There's zero evidence to back that up. No certifications, no clinical studies published, nothing. When a brand throws around big words like clinically proven but doesn't show proof, it's a red flag. Next, they show a photo of a doctor named Pauline Marie Scott and claim she's their advisor. But after checking, there's no sign she's even real or connected to them in any way. If you're using a fake person to sell your product, that's not just shady, it's straight up dishonest. Then, WellaWhite flashes logos from big names like Vogue, Forbes, People, and Bazaar. That makes it look like these magazines have endorsed them. But guess what? There's no proof they've been featured in any of those outlets. It's like me saying I was in a Marvel movie just because I own a Spider-Man t-shirt. They also have a satisfaction guarantee and before and after photos. Sounds good, right? Well, those pictures? We ran a reverse image search and they're copied from other places online. So, not their real results. And about customer reviews? On their website, the reviews are all glowing. Perfect ratings. The same style. Some even repeat word for word. But when we checked Trustpilot and Reddit, there's nothing. This really makes it look like those website reviews are fake. Just another way to create false trust. So what's the verdict? The WellaWhite Teeth Whitening Kit sadly shows a lot of red flags. Unproven claims, fake-looking endorsements, copied images, and probably fake reviews. All that adds up to a brand I'd have a very hard time trusting. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who's thinking of buying this product, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.